So, what all things are necessary for life? Can we live without sunlight, water, soil, and air? No, they are some of the important elements of life. Without them, we cannot live. So, today we will talk about air. Why is air important to us? We humans and animals need air for breathing. Plants need air for making food. Where all is air? Air is all around us. Although we can't see it, but we can feel it. Do you know what is air made up of? Air is a mixture of different types of gases. So, what all gases are present in the air? Mainly, there are three types of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Of these gases, nitrogen is the largest amount, that is 78%. Next is oxygen, which is 21%. The carbon dioxide is even less than 1%. Although the percent of carbon dioxide is very less, but it is important for the living world as plants use it for making food. In addition to these gases, there are many other gases present in small amount. Additionally, there are also small particles floating in the atmosphere such as dust, water vapor, pollen grains, etc. Air is so important to us. So, to know more about our airman, let us do a small experiment. Take a stick, 2 inflated balloons, and a thread to balance the balloons. Now tie the inflated balloons at each end of the stick. Tie the thread to the middle of the stick to hold it up. What do you observe? You will observe that both the balloons are balanced on the stick. Now prick one of the balloons, say the pink one, with a pin. The stick end with the inflated balloon goes down. Why is it so? Let us understand this. Look, who is there in the inflated balloon? It is our airman. When we prick the pink colored balloon, airman just rushes out of it. And so, with the airman still inside the blue balloon, it is heavy. This proves that the airman inside the balloon makes it heavier, and this means air has weight. Now, something interesting about our airman. Take an empty glass and a bowl of water. Fill the bowl with water. Hold the glass upside down above the water and push it slowly into the water. It is difficult to push it, isn't it? Push it more. Still, water hasn't been able to get into the glass. Tilt the glass a little. You can see some bubbles coming out of the water. What do you understand from this? From far, it seems that the glass is empty. See closer. Who is inside? It is our airman. He is trapped inside and cannot come out. But when we tilt the glass, the airman rushes out of the glass. With the airman gone, it is now possible to fill the glass with water. Interesting, isn't it? So we see, even airman can be trapped. More about the airman. Till now, you know that we need oxygen for breathing. What else it is needed for? Let us find out. Take 2 candles and a glass jar. Light the 2 candles and cover one of the candles with the glass jar. After some time, we see the flame in the covered candle is put off. Why? Here we see the airman keeps encircling the candles and they continue to burn. When one of the candle is covered, the airman cannot reach the candle. When the limited oxygen in the jar is used up, the flame is put off. And the other candle, which airman keeps encircling, gets its oxygen supply from the airman. And it continues to burn. So we see oxygen is necessary for burning and airman provides the oxygen. So, not just for breathing, oxygen is also necessary for burning. What else can our airman do? For this, take water, a glass, and a piece of stiff card paper. Fill the glass with water till the brim. Cover the glass with the card and hold the card firmly. Turn the glass upside down. Slowly take the hand away from the card. Oh, what is this? The card does not fall. It holds the water in the container. Is it a magic trick? No. Let us find out what actually is happening. Look, the airman below the card is pushing against the card. It is hard enough to keep the card in place. So we conclude, the airman pushes in all the directions, even upwards. That is all for today. Bye bye, kids.